So that's a typical rhombus, and bisects each other and makes an angle of 90 degrees. Both sides are equal, so A, B, C, D. They are all equal parts. So if you want to find for the parameter, you add all. So you can, because they are all equal, you can just say 4 times L or 4L. So the parameter of the rhombus is 4L, or the sum of the length of its 4 sides. That is it. Now if you want to find for the area, the area is the length of this base times the length of the base times the height. The length of the base times the height. So you'll be given the height. So the height will be from here to here. The distance from here to here. So you'll be given the height. So the distance from here to here will be the height. So that was the length of the base times the height, or half of the product of the diagonals. Half times the product of the diagonals. So for instance, if the diagonals, when you talk of diagonal, you're talking about this and this. So if the diagonals of this is 8, and maybe this one is 4. I mean the 4 is for the whole of this. It's 4. And that means when you have to find, if you want to find for the product, that will be half by the 8 times 4. 8 times 4. Alright, but if the question gives you only this, then that means you have to multiply this by 2 to get the full length, because this side and this side they are the same. This side and this side are the same. So basically that is it. Are we true? Hello, are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to clean. Can I clean the board? Let's do the kites. Then we are done. Then we solve questions. Let's do the kites. So these are the diagonals. These are the diagonals, and these two sides are the same. These two sides are the same. So that is it. We have, this is C, A, A. So this is A. Yes. E, and from here to here is the same as from here to here. D. So this one bisect it into 2. This is B. So let's say, and this is the line of symmetry. It divides it into 2. There's a line of symmetry. Line E is the line of symmetry, or AC is the line of symmetry. AC bisects BD at right angles. So that is it. And AC bisects angle. There's bisect these two angles into 2. That is it. Now to find for the perimeter is the sum of all the 4 sides. So the perimeter is the sum of this plus this plus this plus this. And so the sum of the length of the 4 sides is equal to, the perimeter is equal to perimeter of the kite is equal to, so let's say if here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D, the parameter will be the addition of all. So A plus B plus length C plus length D. That is the perimeter. Now the area of the kite. area. The area is half times the product of the diagonals. Half times the product of diagonals like the distance, like the rhombus, times the product of diagonals, and the product of the diagonals. Product of diagonals. That is the last topic under mensuration one. So for instance, if you are given here to be 14.4, that is the distance from here to here. Then you are given here to be 8. The distance from here to be 8. All cm. You are given here to be 6. Only here to be 6. Then they say that find the area of the kite, and that means the area of the kite will be this plus this. This and this are equal, so this will be 12. So one diagonal is 12. The other diagonal will be, this diagonal will be 8 plus 14.4. That will give you 22.4. So times 22.4 times half. So that is it. So that should give you 134.4 cm. 4.4 cm squared. Are we true?
So please, instead of the 22, you wrote 12.4 cm.
Sorry. So let's do some difficult questions and see. Uh, can I please clean it?
Yes, sir.
So here's a typical question. Now when you're given something like this, then they say that here's 10 meters, and here's here from here to here 70. Find the distance around the field. So find the distance around the field. That means the total perimeter. And find the area of the field. So number one, find the distance around the field, and number two, find the area around the field. What are you going to do? Who can solve it?
So I think you first find the perimeter of the rectangle.
So you
And
first
of
find for
this.
the perimeter of the rectangle. So what will be the perimeter of the rectangle? So that's 2 times, that will be 2 times 70 times 70 plus 2 times 1.
So I had 360 cm.
Is it for the whole distance? Times 110. So what are we getting? So this will be 140 times 220. What are you getting? Okay, so this 360. This will be 360. Now, with a 360, I'm coming. So I'm coming. Let's Let's find for the length of the one of the semicircles. What are you getting? Let's find for the length of the semicircle. What are you getting? Length of the semicircle will be half times 2 pi r. That will give us what? 2 pi r. Don't forget that the radius is there's a half of a semicircle, so and this is the diameter of the circle, so that will be 35. So what are you getting? Please punch it on your calculator and let's move very fast.
110.
Is that so? That will be 109.97. 976.
No, 10.
Is it 110?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 110. So did you just approximate it, or it came like this and you decided to approximate it?
No, it was just like that, 110.
Okay, so to find for the length of the whole of this, that will be, we are going to, so that will be the length of this two plus the length of this two, this semicircle. If you want to do it this way, you are going to get wrong because don't forget that this one is also making these two semicircles. So that will be the whole of these two semicircles and these two ends. So that will be twice of this ends, twice of this, plus twice of this length, and this length. So that will be into bracket this times 2 plus into bracket what they call it, 2 times 70. What they call it? Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to get. Unless I'm wrong. Oh, why is okay? What are you getting? This is one. Oh, sorry, 110. 110. Here's 110. So twice of 110 plus twice of this semicircles. What are you getting? Do the mathematics for me there.
So I don't understand because the perimeter of the rectangle was 360.
No, see, in this case, don't forget that this is forming part of it. So if you can't just find the perimeter of the full rectangle and come and find that of this and that of this, then that means you would have calculated it more than enough. We are calculating, the question says you should find for the length round the field. So we are finding the length of the whole field. The length of the whole field. Or in other words, the parameter. So to find for the length of the field, you first find for the length of this. This length are 2. Then we come and find for the length of this and this. You get it?
Yes, still.
We are finding, the question says find for the length around the field. So we are finding for the length around the field. And the length around the field is something like this, the whole of this. The whole of this. And we've been given the distance from here to here is what do you call it? 110. The distance from here to here is 110. Don't forget that this one is forming part of this. Don't forget that this one is forming part of this. So we have to find for the length of the semicircle here. Then come and add it to the length of this part and this part. This part is not part. This length is not part. This length is not part. This length is not part of the around the field. And the small is like calculating the length of this. Then maybe you have something in this like this, and you want to consider the length here too. It is wrong. Is it the length around the field? You get what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are finding for the length around the whole field. So we are finding for from here to here to here to here. So we are not considering this part. If this part and this part weren't part, then we could have considered the length of only the two of them. But here we are considering the length of here and there. So considering the length of this, there's a
I
formula.
understand.
Half. You said.
Yes, I now understand.
So that is it. So That's half times 2 pi r is equal to, that is it. Then you come and find the length of these two. Then we do it. Then we are good to go. Then the second question is that find the area of the field. Find the area. So now you can come and talk about what you are talking about. Find the area of the field. So you know that the field has, it has number one, it has a rectangle and it has two semicircles. You know, when we talk of this length, now we are talking about area. So now we can talk about the full area here. Talk about the full area here. Then we can talk about the area here. Are you getting it? Because this one is area. The other one is just talking about the length, the outer length of it. Are you getting it? So now we come and find the area of the rectangle, which is length times breadth, which is this by this. Then we come and what do you call it? Find the area of plus the area of the two semicircles. So the area of this one semicircle is half pi r squared. Half pi r squared. So we find for the area of these two semicircles. Then we come and add it to the area of this rectangle. Then we are good to go. You get it? So this will be 2 into bracket 2 by the area of this 2. So this will be half times pi times 35 squared times 2, because this and this, we know that they are using the same radius. So we can just multiply by 2. And we come and add it to the area of the rectangle, which is this times this. So here we are now we are with this, we are talking about the full area of this. But rather we are just talking about the length around it, not the full area. So here it's made up of three areas. The first area is a rectangle, and we have two equal semicircles. Are you okay? Are you good?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that is it. So do it for me, do it for me, and give me the answer. Let me see if you are correct.
Sir, please, for the perimeter, for the area, I had 11,548.451.
Cm squared, meter squared, or something. Yeah, you are correct. You are correct. So for instance, if you are giving something like this, we are giving something like this, then so there's it. Then you are giving these parameters. Here is 7. Here is 10. Now, so you have something like this. So here is 10. Now find for the perimeter. When you finish, find for the area for me. Find for the perimeter and the area for me.
Sir, for the perimeter, I had 49 cm.
The perimeter. Nope, nope,
Yes,
nope.
sir.
Nope, it's not 49. Check it. Check again. Check again. Who else? Aisha, what did you get? Aisha, what did you get?
I also had 49 cm.
49 here. Okay, let's do it together. So we first find for the perimeter of this. So the perimeter of this and this and this. Don't forget there are two parts. This plus this plus this. Then we come and find for that of this side. So this will be 7 plus 7. So this will be 24. That's this 10 plus 10 plus 7. Oh, sorry. 27 instead. Oh, I'm wrong. So 27 meters plus. Then we come and find for this one. This will be half times meter. That is 2 pi r. So that will be 2 pi r. So the two distance. So that will be pi r. Pi r. But our r is what? 3.5. So 3.5 times pi. What are you getting? Check it. 3.5 times pi. What are you getting?
So 10.995.
10.995. So let's 11. So 11 plus 27. What are you getting?
So 38.
Yeah. So do you get it? So you find for, don't forget that this 10, we are fine for the perimeter. So this 10 plus this perimeter here plus the perimeter here.
Diameter, that's why.
Okay. Okay. Don't forget that this before you this is the area. This is the full diameter. So you divide by 2. So find the area for me. Find the area for me.
Eight point five.
Is that
108.5.
108?
0.5.
108.5. Nope. 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 Nope.
So please, is it 1,346.957 centimeter square?
Nope. Nope. Oh, this is very simple. So when I find for the area of this, okay, tell me.
89.
Yeah, it's 89, 89.5, or something. So that will be, you find the area of this rectangle plus the area of this semicircle. Then you're good to go. The rectangle of this is 7 by 10, which is 70, plus the area of this, which is half pi r squared. You're good to go. Ruben, you get it?
Yes, sir.
Do this last one for me. Uh, That's it. So find the perimeter of the compound for me. Find the perimeter of the compound for me. And the area of the compound.
Sir, please, is the perimeter 76 centimeters?
Is the perimeter out? Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Who else?
So is it 73?
Nope.
Sir, please, is the length 20 or 26?
20, 20, 20. 20. What do you get? So just know that when you cut off this, the distance from here to here is 14. I hope that one you know.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
so
sir.
if you want to find for this, you also have to find for the distance here. You are find for perimeter, you have to find for the distance here. So the distance here, when you close it, it's just like the normal. Or when you bring it this way, it will just it will just be something like this. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
It will just be something like this. So you have to find for the distance here. So that one you use that of the semicircle. Half times pi 2 pi r. That will give you pi r. Pi r. And because you know that from here to here is 14, your r will be 7. So that will be 22 over 7 times 7. And that will give you 22. So you know that the distance here is 22. So now you can add all of them. So that will be 18 plus, let's 20 plus 20. So that will be 40. Plus
34.
22 plus, that's 4. What are you getting?
84.
84.
84. Yes.
Oh my God.
Do the area and let me see. Do the area and let me see. So the area, what you are going to do is, the area, there is a rectangle, and you know this part is cut off it. So the area will just be 18. The area of the rectangle, 18 times 20, minus the area of the semicircle will give you the area. Because don't forget that here has been cut or chopped off. The shaded part has been chopped off. So you find the area of the shaded part. That will be half pi r squared. What are you getting? Half pi r squared. Pi. So that will be half of 22. 22 by 7 or something. Check. So that'll be 11 times 7. 11 times 7, 7. That will be 77. Yeah.
76.9.
So what are you getting? 18 by 20. What are you getting? That will be 360 minus 77. So what are you getting?
283.
So that will be
283.
so 283 meter square. That's if you are in meters. So that is it. So you go and do the rest. You go and do the rest. We are done. We are done with measuration 1. Next time we will do measuration 2. Mensuration, sorry. Mensuration 2. Then we are good to go. You pray for me too, yeah.
So please don't forget to upload the videos on YouTube.
I will. Thank you. Bye.